In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Outlook with ClickUp. By the end, you'll have your Outlook calendar connected so your schedules stay in sync without manual updates. First, open ClickUp and head into your workspace. Make sure you're logged into the correct account so the integration appears in the right place. In the top left corner, click your profile. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to your personal and workspace controls. Inside Settings, look for the App Center. This is where ClickUp hosts all available integrations. Once you're in the App Center, you can browse the featured section to find Outlook. If you don't spot it right away, use the search bar and type Outlook Calendar. You'll likely see multiple Outlook-related options, including Outlook Email and the Outlook add-in. For this setup, select Outlook Calendar. On the Outlook Calendar page, click Connect. This begins the authorization process. You'll be redirected to sign in with your Microsoft account. Pick the account you want to connect, then complete the sign-in. If you're using a work or school account, you may need admin approval. If that happens, just follow your organization's process or contact your admin. When prompted, grant the requested permissions so ClickUp can read and update your calendar. These permissions are necessary for keeping events in sync. After you sign in, Outlook Calendar should open automatically in a new browser tab. If it doesn't, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow the site, then try again. In the Outlook Calendar setup screen, follow the on-screen instructions. Depending on your configuration, you may be asked to confirm which calendar to use or to finalize access. Simply proceed through the prompts to complete the connection. Once the Outlook side is done, return to your ClickUp tab. You'll see a prompt to continue. Click the next button to wrap up the integration. This finalizes the connection on the ClickUp side and ensures everything is saved. That's the entire process. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Be sure you're connecting the Microsoft account that holds the calendar you actually use day to day. Verify you have the right permissions in your ClickUp workspace, and keep your browser updated to avoid authorization hiccups. If something doesn't look right later, you can revisit the App Center to review or manage the connection. You're all set. Your Outlook calendar is now integrated with ClickUp, so scheduling and task timelines stay aligned with less effort. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.